Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Adio Richard and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to copy your Facebook ad campaign from one ad account to another Facebook ad account easily. Yeah, what I'm trying to say here is that I will be showing you the exact step-by-step process of how to import from one Facebook ads to and import the exported Facebook ads into another Facebook ad account. And not only that, I'm happy to let you know that your Facebook ad account don't need to be active before you can export and import your Facebook ads. So I'd like you to stick with me to the end of the video because I will be sharing everything I know about this method. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, there are two things you actually need right now. That is your two ad account. Your first ad account is where you are going to export your data, where you are going to copy your ads file, and the second one is where you are going to import your data, your ads data. You are copying from one ad account to another. So let's get started. So the first one now, this is our first ad account, our previous ad account. We want to export data from this ad account to another ad account. As you can see here, this is entirely new, fresh account. So you come to this account now, and as you can see, this option is here, which is the export and import. So I won't like it to get complicated. I would just like to go straight to the point. You click here, then you export all. Export as SLSS. Click on export. Exporting to spreadsheet. You can see it has been downloaded. So we move to the second account where you are going to import our data. Come to the same place. Then you click here, export and import. Click here. You are trying to import. You can see under this import, you click on ads. Click the ads loading. Then we choose the file we downloaded now. This is the file we downloaded now. Let me check the location. You can see this is the file we downloaded now. So I click on choose file. We are going to upload the file here. Don't forget we are trying to import. Okay, let me change the file location so I can really locate it. Let me move it to video. Okay, video. So I chose the file. This is the file. Open. Then you import. You can see it is showing us error, blocked warning. Campaign asset or ads with blocking error were now imported. Only campaign asset or ads with warning were imported. So as you can see, things not successful. So what you need to do is that after you download the file from the first ad account, this is the file. After you download the file, you don't need to import to the new account directly. You are going to make a little changes. So let's go to the file we downloaded from the first ad account. This is the file. Then we open. We open with spreadsheet, Microsoft Excel. What we need to do here is that we just need to delete all the IDs, campaign IDs, ad set IDs, and the ads IDs. Click here. I need to enable editing before I can delete anything from here. So I click here, I click on delete, click here, I click on delete. I'm deleting the campaign based on the number of campaigns, number of assets that you have, and the number of apps. So this is for the asset ID. Click here, delete. I click here and delete. I click here and delete. Same thing. So remove the ads ID. You can actually search automatically, but not to. I'm just trying to explain in a simple way. Remove the ads ID. Okay, you can see you delete, you delete, you delete, you delete, then you delete, then you save. Control S. You can save with Control S or click here to save at the top. Then you come back to your new ad account. This is our new ad account. Now we want to import the previous files. So okay, we click here again to import. We click on add, then we click on choose file. Based on your file location on your system, select and click on open. Don't forget the files has been adjusted. We have removed the campaign IDs, asset IDs, and the ads IDs. So allow everything to load. You can see it's only showing warnings. Then close. As you can see now, this is our new ads. We exported the files from the previous ad account here to another account, which is the fresh account. The same targeting, the same campaign, the same asset, only different ads because the ad is not included. Like I mean your ad copy, your images and video. Just need to make sure you try to upload back. Okay, you can see everything is there already. With the targeting, zero targeting, everything is there. Your targeting. You don't need to stress yourself starting all over again. Set your pixel. See, everything is here. Only your ads. You need to upload the image and the video plus the hard copy. So as you can see, it is very simple. I hope by now you can actually export from one ad account to another now easily without stress. I mean, you now know how to copy or transfer Facebook ads from one account to another account. So, guys, if you have any question to ask, kindly drop your question under the comment section. And if you are coming here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And not only that, make sure you actually click on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime I upload another video. So, guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day.